Severe thunderstorm watch is in place for all of eastern Arkansas until 11 p.m. More likely than not, that's going to have to end up being extended into the Memphis metro area. The storms are going to weaken as they move off to the east, but I don't think they're going to weaken that quick. I think they're still going to pack a punch as they move into the Memphis area. Here's radar right now as of 6:19. You see, we do have some light sprinkles in the Memphis area, but the heavier storms are setting back off to our west. We had a couple of sprinkles there at Music Fest at Liberty Park a little bit ago. Saw some friends out there on Instagram with their ponchos pulled out. That has all moved off to the east, though. That is now out near Eads and Arlington. Some light rain, but no thunder and lightning, so they did not have to stop the performances. What I'm really watching, though, is back off to the west. We have a line of storms developing in Arkansas. A lot of those already have severe thunderstorm warnings on them, which is indicative of damaging wind gusts, heavy rain, and maybe some hail. One storm I'm really watching is just to the south of Searcy, Arkansas. It is moving due east, and it is about 75 miles west of Memphis. It's moving at about 25 miles an hour. So that would put it into the Memphis metro by about 9:15 or 9:30, and there is a ton of lightning in this storm. If lightning gets close enough to Music Fest, they're likely going to have to shut things down for a while. Keep in mind, most of those headliners go on 10:15 to 10:30, so we might have to deal with the delay for that, but that's really the storm I'm watching because that is going to come directly into the Memphis area over about the next 3 hours. So showers and storms likely tonight. It's not going to rain all night, but there will be some storms around. Best chance at Memphis around 9 or 10 p.m. And then things start to move out pretty quickly. I do think by tomorrow morning, we'll be fine. We've just got this one round of storms to get through. By 7 p.m., many of us are still dry, but watch what happens. By 9 p.m., 10 p.m., storms develop right along the Mississippi River, and they'll continue to move to the east. So we'll have storm chances in the Memphis area through at least midnight, so that Uber home from Music Fest might be a little wet as well. Storms continue into northern Mississippi and western Tennessee through about 2 or 3 a.m., but it's out of here pretty quickly after that. And by the time you wake up on Sunday, things are honestly looking pretty good. Now, we do have a slight risk, a level 2 out of 5 for severe weather. That includes the Memphis metro and eastern Arkansas. Again, as I said, storms weaken as they move to the east, so that's why it goes over to a level 1 once you get over to Holly Springs and Corinth. Gusty wind, heavy rain, add in lightning. Those are my biggest concerns. Could see some small hail. Tornado potential is low, but we can't rule one out. Again, this is pretty quick. Good news is by tomorrow, we're looking fantastic. 82 sunny degrees, a light breeze out of the west-northwest around 6 miles an hour. So once we get past today, things are looking good tomorrow, but we are back to a rainy pattern next week. You might need the umbrella every single day next week. It is looking pretty wet, at least a chance of showers and storms every single day, Friday included, but it does look a little bit drier going into Saturday, so at least that is some good news. But for now, expect a pretty rainy pattern setting up as we get into the work week.